Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Applewiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can send photos and messages on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your messages application on your phone. So after opening the application here, you can see these are some previous chats. So if you want to send photo messages to these person, you can select any of these person. But if you want to send photos to a completely new person, you can tap on the edit like icon that you can see in the top right corner right here. Now we'll have to type down the number or the iCloud mail of the person that you want to send the photos to. I'm going to type down a mail address of a certain person, so you can just do that. And after typing down here, you can see your chat will open if you have previously chatted with this person on your iMessages or SMS. So currently it is on iMessages. If you type down the number, it will be set as SMS. And if it is on Android, make sure that your MMS is turned on in order to send photos to the Android device through SMS. So after doing so, here you can see there is a plus like icon that you can see on the left side of message box right here. You can tap on this icon, and after doing so, here you can see there's the option of photos. You can tap on photos, and after doing so, here you can see your photos will open, and you'll have to now scroll up like this. And here you can see your photos has been full screen now you can scroll down and select the photo that you want to send to this person. For example, I'm going to send this photos in particular, and after doing so, you can simply just tap on the done option that you can see in the top right corner right here. And after doing so, here you can see there is a arrow icon that you can see right here. Tap on it just like this, and here you can see this photos has now successfully been sent to this particular person. And just like this, you can send photos and messages on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.